Well, Brian, Grand Rapids police see a heavy increase in the number of package thefts this time of year, but now with the help of technology, a simple doorbell may be all you need to catch a criminal in the act. They arrive on doorsteps in all shapes and sizes, but they might not make it through your front door. Like this guy who Grand Rapids police are looking for, who made off with this package this week.
It's a deterrent because you can say, hey, I see you there. I already have a video of you. You might as well drop the package and leave.
But now there's an app for that.
If somebody walks up to it and pushes the button, you can actually have a two-way, your phone will actually go ding dong or however you set it, so you know, hey, somebody's at my door, and then you can actually have a two-way voice conversation with them.
And this motion-activated camera on this high-tech doorbell starts recording, taking videos or still pictures of the culprit. Randy Loper is the president of Bursma Distributing, a company that sells these doorbells and other types of security.
It's really an interesting time for us and for everybody because it used to be only the wealthy people could afford to have those type of products, and now everybody can get them and use them to help protect their packages and their families. We want to unlock it and send that. It's actually going through the cell phone out to a tower down to Virginia, and then they're sending it back to our Wi-Fi and unlocking the door.
And thanks to technology, you can even lock your house, turn on lights and heat from your phone. But what if you're not that techie? Well, Grand Rapids Police and the Better Business Bureau have a couple of suggestions. Arrange to be home during the delivery. Request a signature for receipt. That way, if you're not there, the driver will take back the package. Or get a neighbor or a friend to help pick it up. And there are also lock boxes that you can use, or a new system called Amazon Key, giving delivery drivers access to your home so that the package is delivered safely. And Grand Rapids Police also say that technology like this will certainly help track down suspects in crimes like these who aren't caught that often. In studio, Sarah Hurwitz, 24 Hour News 8.